this is how you save and export your files for print booklet. First we'll open up our file here. Actually, we're not going to go to new. We're going to open up this existing file right here. So I have over here, I have 8 pages, which you'll need pages in increments of 4 because you'll be printing on the front and back, and then the front and back of the other pages. So make sure you have at least 8 pages, or if not 8, you have 12 or 16 or 20, 24, and so on. Okay. Then once I have all my pages set up, I have my cover, and then I have page 2 and 3 all the way down to page 8. Once I have that all set and ready to go, I'll go up to File, and I'll go down to Print Booklet. I'll click on this Print Booklet. Then everything should be the default set right here. I have bleed setting in right there, which I do have the bleed built into my document. I have my images at 300 dpi. Now I'll go to the preview, and this is actually previewing really nice, so it's on the 11x17 paper that I would like. Now I'm going to go to print settings, and we'll print this on the Toshiba black and white. You could do it in color, but I'm just going to do black and white for right now. Actually, I'll demo color just because that's what you guys will do. So the general settings look good. Let's leave all these one copy. We don't want multiple copies right now. Let's go to the setup. Make sure this is on 11x17. If your magazine spreads are 6x8 or larger, they probably should be printed on 11x17. Okay, so let's leave that there for now. Then make sure the orientation of the page is this way right here, not this way, otherwise it won't print well. Let's see if it updates it if I do that. It won't update it. Well, it will. If I click OK right there, that's what it will do, and it'll fit to page. So make sure you change this orientation to this right here, so it'll update and it'll flip this to its side. Okay. Let's see. You can have scale to fit on. If you don't scale it, it'll just print the size of your document. So if you're too big, just click scale to fit, and it'll shrink it down just a little bit for you. If you're at 8.5 by 11, I'll shrink it down just a little bit. I always position the pages centered, not in the upper left or horizontally. I always position them centered just because I like to do that. That's personal preference though. Now I'll go to marks and bleed. All you need is crop marks. You don't need bleed marks or registration or anything else, but also make sure document bleed settings are checked right here. And then once you have that, you should be set. Make sure your offset, this should be the default of 0.083. I mean, technically it could be larger, but make sure it's not 0. Okay, we'll click that, we'll click OK, and then you click print, and it should print out your magazine. It'll scramble your pages around so they're in the correct order. Okay, yeah, if you have any other questions, send me an email.